Ka Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute Mati Shillong berka District Disaster Management Authority East Kasils District. Hakas ni sajan jom katayo balak diap ka khandai tarik lebar Ïarap Hosau kala penlong ya kajing pen I rukom. Lani kajing Jinghikai ke bakam pertam. Kumno ban Ïarap Kiba kandu kajing jalan shop jong ka bor mariang Hapoh Krem kikro. Ya kani kajing Jinghikai ke balik sin ke baningkong. Om tang Hapoh ke jalan Meghalaya. Hari wat hari India hi bro kawe. Lapan long Hapoh Krem Mawmluh seorang East Kasils District. Balapan long harkat kajing trilang ka District Disaster Management Authority East Kasils District. Berka Meghalaya Adventurers Association Kibayo Jinghikai pentebit na United Kingdom. Shua ban penlong kajing pen I rukom. Lapan long shua kajing batai ketin kumno ban le ban pelaj mi kibreu. Kibai kandu kajing ja ka bor mariang Hapoh Krem kikro. Haka program lai shimata ka kanhun Search and Rescue Team jongka Fire and Emergency Service State Disaster Response Force ni SDRF MPRO ka kanhun nong Sumar Meghalaya Adventurers Association Meghalaya Sports Climbing and Mountaineering Association nalor ki volunteer jongka shnong.
Search and Comfort Team 2, Ferdi Team Leader, Junstone, Baman, First Aid, Harold and Schlur. Stretcher Team, Team Leader, Jolly Overall. First Team Stretcher 1 will be 4 Fire Service. Shim Keteng Hadian, 3 from SDRF, Basham.
Who will make that call is the person at the head, okay, who has the head of the victim, okay. So we do not know how the cave will be inside, so we'll have to make adjustments with the rigging team as well. All right. So now we will all be part of the main stretcher team, definitely. Even team 2, they will follow us, and suppose now 6 people are carrying or 8 people are carrying at one time, another 8 will be ahead, so that if we reach a certain point where it's tight, or if we are tired, then we can pass it to the team in front. Make sense? Yeah. Pak gimana Din? Jos, saya siang tu overlap Din. Saya siang tu, kit. Mau cuci kemana? Mau cuci cepat. Mau sendiri cepat, guna cepat. Jos. Pak, cuma. Up, Ronnie. Well done. Yeah.
Well done. Yeah, thank you. Thanks, Ronnie. Thank you. Well done. Catch.
Oh, ada.
Nuan, bring it here.
Guna sa hati.
Maybe somewhere there and then come here.
Oh yes.
One, two, left there. 1, 2. Okay. And down.
Down. Em cắt Assemble the pieces together.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Up sa kaway mo.
Support. Hapoh office. Hapoh office. One, two, down slowly.
Through practice, right? Okay, we have a lot of hiccups, like the communication between the runners. So kata number one, but that will get better with practice. That will get better. Kat nginang practice kanang you. Ndai ginap mentah kalong ba with manpower, it Ïarap ingi sibun hapor mengi evacuate mengi. So which means that in any situation, manpower is mandatory. But everything I think went very smoothly, right from the hot point to the command center.
Okay.
I mean, after a lot of shouting and all that, but then everything went smooth, okay? But it's just that the communication could have been faster if we have cave links or, rather than runners.
Cabling is
that,
underground communication,
SMS system.
Yeah.
SMS system.
If we have that, then it would have been better, faster.
So our learning is VHF did not work inside the cave.
No,
So when you say communication,
It was in line. It's just that it could be
could have
better
been
if
faster.
we had underground communications like cabling.
it'll be faster.
Yes.
So the feedback from the stretcher team is that the moment we got information, we moved as fast as we could. What we could have done is we could have practiced carrying the stretcher here first. I think that's what we did not do. All right. Number two was when we got there, we realized that the manpower that we have, that helped a lot. So yes, we request that from now on, maybe we could have
More manpower.
more manpower.
More practice,
like today.
more
More
practice,
practice and
all
more
the
manpower.
departments.
Yeah.
It was okay since most of the first aid was already given by the rescue
Okay.
team now, so we didn't have that much to do. And since both patients were that stable only, so it was there.
Okay. Okay.
Question is that since we have come from Shillong, it takes lots of time, and what we have started today is like the scenario has been created already yesterday.
Yes.
So we have reached here by
10.
today. So what I would like to suggest is that the locals, they should involve more and more
people.
people.
Or the local from here.
Yeah, the locals.
So it'll be faster
The
for
Abdamita
reaction time
is
will be
there,
faster.
I think.
So if you can decentralize.
Not only in Meghalaya, it is I think in India as well, for this time. So it was very good to see the response from all the teams. Everyone was on time, and procedures were duly followed. And it was good to see that ultimately we could save somebody's life. So since this is just sort of a dress rehearsal, we need more practice, as few suggestions have come out, to involve the local people more, the local youths more. So the training part, we'll look into it from the district administration side as well. Whatever help you need will be provided. So, and in terms of logistics as well, if you need our assistance, we are always there from the police as well as the administration side. So overall it was I would say it's a very successful cave rescue mission, and thank you to each and everyone for participating today, and we look forward to more such drills in the future as well. So thank you.
Give a big clap to the casualty.
Okay, ginan ta hangi Hapoh Krem Mawmluh menginang ya dek kena drill mock drill jong cave rescue. Ngatai kini ketika benengkong do bengi le Hapoh ri India berkoi in collaboration bat kini ki MPRO SDRF nang taga Ddma nang taki guide nang Hapoh Mawmluh Hapoh Jinghikai jongka Meghalaya Adventures Association. Di mentah kalau ba senario kalau ba arut ki brio kirung Hapoh Krem ketika Klemon pai shoot nomenin Di na hotel jungki ki inform ki police ki inform ngi and ngi round up kini ki nong Ïarap na keleng na ki lagi jong ki department, so everyone ki poi hang ni manage step show biji and ngi la senang kene ka drill. Di menta kalau ngomong ngi la poi ka casualty point ki don arngut baru arngut kidang ki biang kidang in the census. Di kalau ngomong ba way ula kria ka kejat di hab ban ra stretcher way ula ban chu assess ban mi u chamar. Di menta ka stretcher team kala rung support medic kila don chawat kena ka surgeon comfort team kila don pawat ki nang tu kini ki stretcher team menta kini wan ra ya kini ki berarmut ki casualty sin sabar. Di menta kidang ya up ya ki menta kuno mungkin bio ban evacuate in casualty hadu hapo ambulance di sabar. Okay, kini nang ni ke poi kumba around pras pak mitar support kidon hajrong ima umau bahe away from mekanik teki kidang la hi banyak aku tokopor barang jur ka adrenaline ngatrai teki shong ha poi jong mau and right now kini ki search and comfort team kidon lambat ki menta kidang Ïarap iki ban recover ban before evacuation ki no ka tuleng jong de Kiev gadi karong kumba nyok kilometer ri namun kami passage par kalau around 4 kilometers ke entry nang ni ke exit ki fila mi na ke mengikut ke kenja goldfish pond kalau ka pool kum tu sami sirong na setlendet jong lu o otherwise fila bandong nang teru mi nang heru di hang ni po Mawmluh si le tak si pendong ki tourist na sedin ben mi sini kamsuk ban dakila thaj bakin le ki kali na kinu kebening kong tu apor bangi ni sang rong krem mata naga association mata lapoi kompalai ho ars nami di menchuam juran brio ba rong krem di tang mangi but issue organize kena international expedition every year ni lek tu and all of a sudden PE tourism ku boom po sha makala bro kawai and baru kai ki warung krem ki warung situ and kiba phone ngi ban guide ki krem nu ngimla shu ban pek ni di kum kini na po Mawmluh ru ngila train ngi guys Mawmluh manta kila tik over maki ngila handhold for a couple of years untuk kila tik over maki kila pnya maki berhoi kini manta but shakui pan 4 la ban le ban pen hikai ba ki guys itu ngim 4 la ban train ki ban yalam ngim 4 la identify ki krem kinu ko balong man le ki tourist kinu ko balong man le ki tourist di ni shi perkhat ba at one point of time kala ban don ka jingjap o krem ba kin khat yang ni ban rescue di hakatu ko por kami kijing keli ba ngila long equip nem ban le kan ta rescue di nang ta kata kijing perhat ka pelong ngi bangi hab ban le ban pentibit susu il dia ha ka rescue Kiev rescue tenang tu ngi le japo Ireland ngi pentibit susu ya kan ka khot single rope tekni nang tu na England ngi le japo Ireland ban le ka Kiev rescue di menta susu nginang hab hi ban le training la ni kin khot ki expert begin wan ai Jinghikai ngi hang ni kenang ba nginang petwit shu ya kene ka Kiev rescue war ka Kiev rescue kolong ba kade ka ba do ka rescue na kinu ki judge adventure sport kila ban dede passage cibaret tang fin ra stretcher ko ba nai kran ni ka Portugal Kiev di suki ngi heading heading towards ban pentwit ilri ya ki vertical caves ki im tu kenang ba kum mangi ong ba we prepare for the worst but hope for the best di namar ba kila bun pelagi turis datang katai kala mandon ke jingja kum kani mangi yak ta ba kila ban khat yangi and hakatu ko por ngi hab ban long prepared ban deal with situation ni